Good morning, family. It's Cap out here in Tim's Harley Davidson. I had a special request for a video, so I will not disappoint. It is early on Friday morning. We just brought all these bikes out here as we do every morning. I had somebody ask we'd go ahead and make a little video of everything running. I mean, that's better than Folgers in the cup, isn't it? So without delay, we're gonna walk down the line here and you can just listen to the amazing sounds I get to listen to every morning. So I'll mention as we walk by, we've got some different exhausts out here. This is our pre-owned section. So some of the exhausts, that sort of thing, has already been customized. Here we got some Rinehart racing. Got a 2-in-1 Khrome Works here. Last but not least, set of Vance and Hines on the Iron 883. Alright guys, as I mentioned, this was a request video. Great way to start the day. Come out here and fire up some Harley Davidsons. We got a truck up here, so I'll have a new video up for you guys soon showing you what's on that truck, if I can. And I'll see you guys soon.